A lot of us are spending more time in the kitchen these days, but that can mean more wear and tear. So this morning, we have some do-it-yourself kitchen hacks to make everything just a little bit easier for you. So here to help us is Kristy Kay of How to Home at Kristy Kay Designs. Kristy, good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely.
So
Let's talk about How to Home.
The kitchen. I mean, it's the hardest working room in the house right now. And one of the things I love is this lemon trick.
Okay.
So over the winter, you can get some buildup on your faucet from hard water. So simply cut into the lemon, and you can submerge the faucet head directly into the lemon. Oh. Let it sit for a couple hours in a baggie with a rubber band. And then the acid will actually clean at the faucet.
Oh wow.
Huh. Would that work? I mean, I know a lemon's not big enough, but could it work with like a grapefruit on a shower head too?
I think you could probably try that. I know the lemon, it's really the acid in the lemon, but you could also use it in the bathroom too. So another tip there.
All right, here's one. My son is constantly slamming cabinet doors. What can you do to help me?
Oh my goodness. So annoying, right? So all you need are these little rubber stoppers. They're self-adhesive, and you find where the cabinet meets the frame. And I like to put one at the top and one at the bottom so that it's even, and no more slamming. And actually, another little tip with these, I love using them on the bottom of a pot so that it keeps it elevated so the moisture doesn't ruin the surface that it's on. Oh. So they just stick right on the bottom.
Like a planter pot, not a
not a pot.
Exactly. No wood stains.
What about some of those drawers that, you have to like give an extra tug to open?
All you need is a candle. And even in a pinch, you could even use a bar of soap. So you simply just deposit a really thin layer of the wax or the soap along the track of the drawer. And I do this maybe once a year, and then it just lets it smooth, nice in, out, close.
Wow. Okay, well, the kitchen can quickly become a total mess. Give us some of your go-to organization hacks.
We love these self-adhesive hooks. So I like taking areas in the kitchen that aren't being used right now, right? So there's a little gap between your cabinet door and the items inside your cabinet. What better place to hang something? So I love hanging my lightweight items like foil or wax paper. They're right at eye level. You can just simply rip off a piece that you need. Really easy. And you measure it out, and the hooks pop right into the sides of the box.
Oh,
perfect.
Great.
So We've also heard
for
Katie.
Those items.
Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
No, for the items that might be a little bit heavier, you can also use a magazine folder. So again, the same self-adhesive strips. And I love to store, again, bigger, bulkier, my rolling pin that never fits in a drawer. It's so easy to have it right down below. If you don't have a magazine folder, don't worry. You can simply cut a cereal box, and that works too.
Perfect.
Look at that.
Now, what about printable wallpaper? You say it's cool, but intimidating. You've got a temporary way to try it so that you don't have to commit to a whole wall.
We love this stuff. It's so fun. It's erasable, peel and stick, super easy. I did it here on the back of a cork board. And so whether you're trying to have the family schedule up or a to-do list, or you're trying to remember those grocery items, they sell these awesome chalk markers in all different colors. So it's kind of fun. You can make it an element in the kitchen. Yeah, and it's reusable too.
Cool.
That is so cool. Chalkboard wallpaper.
So it can stick right on your wall or the inside of a cabinet even, or like I said, here I have it on the back side of a cork board.
That's a great idea.
Perfect.
And not as messy. Kristy, great tips. Thank you so much. For these tips and more, everyone at home, you can head to today.com/shop.